Hello and welcome back to Project 944. We're once again here at LUDEN Automotive, and today we're going to be doing some bits to the car which finally should help it get back onto the road. That's going to be the rocker cover gasket, just to inspect the damage that those potential oil-filled plug sockets have caused. We're also going to do a few other bits, kind of like just general tidying up. So we're going to try and do the horn on the steering wheel and also clean out the air filter. So let's get to work. The first step of today's task was to remove all the really nasty dried up gaskets which caused our plug oiling issue back in episode 6 of Project 944. And then to clean up the cam cover in order to remove all of those annoying contaminants ready for polishing and new gaskets. Fortunately, this didn't actually take too long to achieve and was fairly simple to do, which is nice considering the stuff on this car that normally goes wrong is a pain to fix.
What speed should we have it on?
9.
It only goes up to 6.
6 then. No, 1. Do it slow, start slow.
500 RPMs, 1.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's the idea.
What will it come out like? That is the question. This is where the edge catches and it flicks under your freaking shins.
Polishing the cam cover certainly proved to have good results, with the old, worn yellow and clear coat slowly being removed. And many of the oil build-up over the years also being wiped away. I mean, it's doing something, really.
Definitely doing something, isn't it? You might need some more polish.
Yeah.
Now, although the polishing went well, we did also opt for some wet sanding too.
Oh, it's doing something alright.
Yeah, it's definitely
Yeah, that's
helping,
really...
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It
Yeah,
just
it
shows
is.
you that's actually like
Yeah, so it's actually taking the off the top. Yeah.
That's what I was saying. If we get all this off,
Go for it.
re-clear coat.
Yeah,
That's
go
what I
for
was
it.
getting at.
This is just, like, not a hard cut polish either, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, it is the compound.
I don't know if we've got a hard cut, but
That is pretty hard cut. What's he doing in the toilet? He's in the toilet.
You trying it?
Oh, he's doing this.
wet sanding did prove to be very effective at removing all of that really nasty staining.
As you see it coming off the edges. I have spent far too long sanding these little for it to go wrong. Hit it.
We decided that we'd spray the cam cover bolts in a nice satin black in order to really make the newly cleaned cam cover pop in an otherwise rather scruffy looking engine bay. While they dried, it was time to do something I'd been quite looking forward to, which was replacing the horn.
This is where the back end drops off.
Yeah. Airbag deploys.
Whether it actually fits behind that, I don't know.
We'll find out the hard way.
In a minute. Either way, you can spray these screws. Can't you?
Yeah, that's what I'm excited for, if anything.
Weirdo.
Now was time to remove the cover to get to the horn.
This would be the question.
It should do.
It looks right, doesn't
It
it?
should do. If not, it might have a slight lip, and if it has a slight lip, that's fine.
Right, I'll tell you what. Have you got a little pair of pliers?
Like
You know, you said that you thought that was fake.
yeah.
That's real. That is genuine Momo. That is.
With our new horn button ready to go, it was time to test it.
Hooty hooty! My name is Hooter. Don't let them touch. They will get very, very hooty.
With the leather horn on the Momo wheel now finished and looking very, very stylish indeed, it was time to start putting the cam back onto the car, ready for when we run it in the next couple of episodes. With the bolts dried, we first started by applying all the new gaskets onto the cam before we applied it to the car. The cam cover gasket was proving particularly tricky, so with some use of silicone we managed to perfectly seal our new gasket to the car, which means it should even help prevent oil leaks further down the line. The final results are absolutely fantastic. The cam cover almost looks brand new, if you close your eyes to the paint wear and the marks caused by age to it, that is. It's very clear that this is a massive improvement and has saved us a fair amount of money by not having to send it off to be powder coated again, so that is a plus. Now onto removing the air filter. The front panels are a little tricky to get off in order to access all the screws, and you have to have the headlights up, which is really annoying when you have a dead battery.
Is it time to wash?
It's always time to wash.
Okay, so rocker cover is now done. Now we've got the panel filter out of the airbox here at the front, which badly needs a clean. So that's going to be the next job. We've got a K&N air filter cleaner kit, so we will be doing that next, and hopefully it should clean it up and make airflow a little bit nicer. With our trusty K&N air filter cleaning back in hand, we completely clean the air filter of all the built up dirt over the years, which in some cases may help with a little more airflow, although I can't imagine it'll help huge amounts. Once cleaned, we needed to leave it to dry until the next episode. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. That went better than expected, if I'm honest. And also here is the man of the day who has helped massively. With like us.
Make us happy.
Like us Machinus. That's it. Take care. We'll catch you in the next one.